How to add a donation button to your YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding a donation button to your YouTube channel. So there's several options available for accepting donations and generating income. So first of all, you have to visit studio.youtube.com. On the left sidebar, there are different options. Click on Earn. The first way to earn money is through ad revenue if your account is monetized. This includes various types of ads such as watch page ads. Another way to earn is through channel memberships. Depending on what you offer to your viewers, you can charge a subscription fee for exclusive content or perks. Additionally, during the live streams, viewers can send super chats or gifts. You also have the option to connect with the brands or create a fundraising campaign, and right after you're eligible, you will see the Get Started button to set up or join a fundraiser. And if this option do not work for you, you can create a third-party donation link as well. For example, if you use PayPal, go to paypal.me to create a PayPal donation link. Once you have your link, log into your PayPal account and copy the link and then paste it in your YouTube description. You can do this by going up to the settings, then go to Upload Defaults, and then add your donation link in the description field over here. So this was all about it. I hope this video has helped you understand how to accept donations. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.